Hey guys, welcome back. It's Brittany. So today we are going to be unboxing this baby. So if you don't know, this is CosBox. All the items in it are more ethically made. So yeah, let's just go into it and see what's in here. That's cute. There's in there. So because I live in Canada, I obviously pay more. I pay, I'd say like $75 a month is what this one was. But yeah, inside it's got a cute little booklet. It says, our mission is to bring sustainable and ethical products to everyone. Trying not to like wreck the paper. So in every one of their boxes, there's always a cute little postcard done by an artist. And this one is done by Anna Kavez. I don't know. But yeah, that's super cute. So the first thing in here is the juice cleansers for fresh pressed juice glow bath salts. They are just for Epsom salts and fragrance oil. So very clean product. Next thing is silicone stretch lids. That's what they look like. There's a bunch of different sizes. I'm pretty sure the biggest one can fit over like half a watermelon, so you only have to cut half of it at a time. So next thing in here is a pair of earrings. Handmade, made with love, made for good. And they are right there. In all honesty, these are not really my style, so I probably will be gifting them to somebody. Okay. Next is a reed diffusing white tea and ginger. There's the box though. Open this up, you got your reeds in there. And there is the actual product. Okay, so the next thing in here is from Grace&Stella. It says, hi. Says, say hi to hydration, and it's a hyaluronic acid hydrating serum. It is cruelty-free vegan, so I mean that's a big win. A lot of the skincare I try to use is very clean of ingredients because I have such acne-prone skin. But next is a PMD Clean Smart Facial Cleansing Device. There's that. I have the Freo one that I use, but I'm probably gonna turn it into my travel version because I kind of like that this one's got a handle. Oh, and that's cute. It's got a little stand. That's cute. And I love the pink color. That's super cute. We'll just figure it out. Then next, the last thing in here is from Pepper and Beaker. I don't know. There's bugs. A little hint on the back for you. Dishes. So, here's the dishes. And they are dishwasher and microwave safe. That's pretty cool. So you have 3 sizes. The next one, a little more blue happening in this one. And then the largest one is like completely blue. So that's kind of fun that it kind of went from like light green to blue. So yeah, those are the dishes. So let's take a look and see how much everything is valued for. So it has it right here, tells you. So the cleansing brush is valued at $99. So right there you've made your money back, like, and a little bit more. Well, for me, paying 70, whatever it was, 75 something, you've made your money back. The diffuser was $35. The nesting bowls, these, $36. And they are designed in partnership with LA-based artist Aaron Wolf. Pretty nice. The silicone stretch lids, which help you reduce plastic and food waste, were $8. And the serum was $25. And then if you're like an annual member, you have the option for your last 3. I am not an annual member, so I just get whatever they choose to put in the box. So they chose the fringe earrings, which are partnered with artisans in India to create this design. And they're valued at $40. And the last thing was the Juice Cleanse Bath Salts. Using citrus oils, energize and brighten, while Epsom salts mineralize and detoxify your body and calm your mind. We're valued at $20. So maybe we should have that. I don't have a calculator. I'll put the final total in the description box because I don't have the phone down here either because I'm using it to film. But yeah, I wanted to see. So some of your other options were a essential for like this bottom part, was an essential oil roll-on duo, and that was $30, or a Maui Day cream with an SPF of 30, and that was valued at $42. And then instead of the Juice Cleanse, you could have got the Restore Healing Balm, which was valued at $30. So yeah, that is all I got in this cause box. Well, I'd say it's pretty good value based on just the fact that this thing is $100. But I work in childcare, so I have to take my lunch, so these may come in very handy. But yeah, so that's it for today. Kind of just a fun, different video for me. So yeah, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, follow for more, and I will see you guys real soon. Have a beautiful day. Bye.